Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I bring you a step-by-step face care routine that I use to keep my face clean and blameless using simple home ingredients from the kitchen. And if you're above the age of 40 like me, these ingredients are just perfect for you. It will help keep your face smooth, young and plumpy. It will also help delay the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines in the near future. Start this process by preparing a face cleanser. To do this, put some small amounts of milk in a bowl and add a teaspoon of honey to it. Stir it gently until everything is mixed. Then dip a ball of cotton wool into it and use it to clean your face in a circular motion. The lactic acid in the milk helps to cleanse your face, while the anti-inflammatory properties in it soothe skin dryness. Honey, on the other hand, also helps to moisturize the skin and remove all sorts of blemishes. After cleaning the face thoroughly for 60 seconds, you can then go ahead and wash the face with some clean water. Next process is to exfoliate the face. To prepare your exfoliant, put some rice into a grinder and grind it into a fine powder. Store it in a jar and then put some part of it in a bowl and add water to it. Stir it until you get a very fine paste, then scoop with your hand and scrub your face gently. This rice scrub will help to exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cells, and it will also remove pigmentation and blackheads from the face. This process is mainly required to remove dead skin from the face. So if your face is feeling smooth and healthy, you can skip this process. However, it is advised that you scrub your face at least twice a week to keep it smooth and healthy. After scrubbing for 2 minutes, you can then go ahead and rinse the face with clean water. And now comes step 3. We'll be preparing face toner using a bag of green tea. Simply put a bag of green tea in a cup and add hot water to it. Allow it to cool, then put in a spray bottle and spray all over your face. After spraying on your face, massage it gently into the face for a period of 1 minute. Green tea will help to hydrate your face and balance the pH level of your face. It also removes puffiness and dark circles, thereby giving you a younger, brighter look. So the fourth step in our today's morning skincare routine is moisturizing the face. To do this, we'll be needing some fresh aloe vera leaves. Just scoop out the gel from the leaves into a bowl and then add a drop of olive oil into it. Note that if you have an oily face, the olive oil added needs to be very small to avoid your face from being too oily. After mixing thoroughly, apply some amount to your face and massage gently in a circular motion. Then allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes before taking your bath. At this point, I always apply my homemade lip balm to my lips to help keep it soft and pink. I have a video on how to make your own lip balm at home, so do well to check it out. As part of my skincare routine, I take a cup of herbal tea every morning. So while waiting for the moisturizer to work into your face, you can proceed to take a cup of herbal tea. Herbal tea promotes healthy skin by providing collagen that helps you maintain a smooth, glowing skin. I also have a video on different types of herbal tea and how it benefits the skin. So please do well to check it out in order to promote the look of your skin. So 30 minutes after applying the moisturizer to my face, I then proceed to take my bath. That is the last part of my daily skincare routine. How do you do yours? Please kindly let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching to this part. See you in my next video.